Alright, here's Rodrigo, the Paralito, and Ani Banani building a snowman, working very hard.
Yeah, while Cooper just plays with his lead.
Yep, over there. Yep, that's
now
sled.
Dan is gonna want to take credit for the snowman.
Probably, of course.
Yeah, he's gonna bring a girl over here and it's like, oh, look at the snowman I made.
Good for you. You were my inspiration.
Miss is gonna go, are you calling me fat?
Well, it is a rather big snowman.
Trust me, Cooper, that's what a girl would say.
Oh yeah.
So never say a snowman is
Her
your inspiration.
Okay.
That she's the inspiration for a snowman. Okay.